So today we are making sugar skulls in our 6th grade classes, and we want to add some tissue flowers to the sugar skulls. So I'm going to show my students how to make tissue flowers. They're lots of fun to make. First, you're going to take 2 pieces of tissue paper. These are 10 inches by 10 inches. You can use the same colors or 2 different colors. I'm going to use 2 different colors. And then the next thing we're going to do is fold this in half. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. And I'm going to move this out of the way. So fold this in half and turn it. Now we're going to do an accordion fold, or what they call a fan fold. So at the bottom you're going to fold it up a little bit and then fold it back the other side and back again all the way across your paper. I've got a little bit left over. Just going to fold it up. Now I need to take a string and tie a knot around the center, nice and tight, so it looks like a bow tie. You might want to have a friend come and help you at the point where you tie this real tight and they put their finger here. It's a little tricky to do with one hand, so I want to make it nice and tight. I don't want it to come loose, so I have to pull. There we go. Okay. So now, at this point, I've got this side that's still folded, so I need to take my scissors and trim that off. And then we're going to open up the fan on both sides, like this. Did I cut the, yeah, I did it right, okay. And then we are going to separate the tissues. Now the tissue is very fragile. You have to be careful. If you do tear it, it's okay. It doesn't usually show up. So you just separate each layer. And the other side as well. You can tell I'm in school. We're going to do this tomorrow morning, and I want to have it. Almost finished. Okay, so there it is. Now I just push it up a little bit. And fluff it. There you go. Tissue paper flower. What I usually do is have them use liquid glue or a glue gun and glue it on to their sugar skull.